Hey Al, here's breakfast. Little scoop of kibble. We're gonna do about a third. We don't have to be precise of the raw. And it is raw, so wash your hands afterwards. Then we need a little half a scoop for breakfast. Let's put that guy in there. Run the water, get it a little warm, because the patties are cold, so this warms up the patties nice and nice. That's a little too much, but it's fine. Mash it up. And a Benadryl. For dinner, she gets a whole patty. So there's going to be a whole patty. Give her a whole patty. A bigger scoop, not a full scoop of the kibble. And she'll just sit there. Okay. Say okay and she'll eat. But you gotta give Pip a little treat in the morning too. And this goes to the Pip. Mia does not get these. We're getting low. Mia gets these. And Pippi's dinner is a lot more easy. She gets one of these. Pippi's dinner is just the canned food. Canned food with a full scoop of Kittle. Let me know if you got any questions.